Quizmaster. Hello kids, welcome to our quiz game. Today, we'll practice using this little but powerful words. Remember, is for one person or thing. M is only for I and R is for many people or things. Are you ready to test your grammar superpowers? Let's get started. Instructions: read the sentence carefully. Choose the correct answer. Is M or R? Only one answer is correct. Let's see how many you can get it right. Number 1. She blank my sister. Number 2. I blank a student. Number 3. They blank playing in the park. Number 4. He blank my best friend. Number 5. We blank happy today. Number 6. You blank my classmate. Number 7. The dog blank very cute. Number 8. I blank ready for school. Number 9. They blank in the garden. Number 10. She blank reading a book. Number 11. The boys blank playing football. Number 12. My father blank a doctor. Number 13. We blank excited for the trip. Number 14. I blank thirsty. No 15. They blank my cousins. Number 16. The girl blank very smart. Number 17. You blank welcome here. Number 18. My brother blank in grade 1. Number 19. I blank very happy today. Number 20. The cat's blank under the table. It's checking time. Number 1. The correct answer is A. She's my sister. Number 2. The correct answer is B. I am a student. Number 3. The correct answer is C. They are playing in the park. Number 4. The correct answer is A. He's my best friend. Number 5. The correct answer is C. We are happy today. Number 6. The correct answer is C. You are my classmate. Number 7. The correct answer is A. The dog is very cute. Number 8. The correct answer is B. I am ready for school. Number 9. The correct answer is C. They are in the garden. Number 10. The correct answer is A. She is reading a book. Number 11. The correct answer is C. The boys are playing football. Number 12. The correct answer is A. My father is a doctor. Number 13. The correct answer is C. We are excited for the trip. Number 14. The correct answer is B. I am thirsty. Number 15. The correct answer is C. They are my cousins. Number 16. The correct answer is A. The girl is very smart. Number 17. The correct answer is C. You are welcome here. Number 18. The correct answer is A. is, my brother is in grade 1. Number 19. The correct answer is be, am. I am very happy today. Number 20. The correct answer is C, are. The cats are under the table. Good job, kids, until our next quiz game.